Hello, and welcome to The Great North Gardener, your best guide to starting and creating your own personal garden. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of cedar trees. These majestic beings are not just a gardener's delight, but also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Cedar trees, with their distinct aroma and towering stature, are a sight to behold in any landscape. But did you know that there's more to these trees than meets the eye? They're a haven for a variety of birds, animals, and insects, providing shelter and sustenance. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. In this video, we'll explore the different types of cedar trees, their unique characteristics, and just why they're so important in our gardens and to Mother Nature. We promise to uncover some intriguing facts that will make you see these trees in a whole new light. So, are you ready to dive into the world of cedar trees? Let's get started. When we talk about cedar trees, the first thing that comes to mind is their majestic presence. These towering giants of the plant kingdom are truly a sight to behold, reaching heights of up to 130 feet. Their branches, spreading wide in all directions, resemble outstretched arms, welcoming all of nature's creatures. A closer look reveals their leaves, or rather, needles. They're evergreen, meaning they retain their vibrant color all year round. Touch one, and you'll feel a texture both soft and prickly. Now take a deep breath. The scent of cedar wood is distinct, rich, and aromatic. And these trees are not fleeting wonders. They stand the test of time, with some species living for over 1,000 years. Imagine a single tree witnessing centuries of history unfold. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some specific types of cedar trees. There are several types of cedar trees, each with unique characteristics making them distinct. These majestic trees grace our landscapes with their towering heights and aromatic leaves. But do you know how to tell them apart? Well, let's delve into the world of cedars. First up, we have the eastern red cedar. Now, this is a bit of a misnomer, as it's not a true cedar, but a member of the juniper family. Nonetheless, it's a sturdy tree that can reach up to 60 feet in height, with scale-like leaves and blue-black berry-like cones. It thrives in a variety of environments, from swamps to dry hills, making it a versatile addition to any landscape. Then we have the western red cedar. Towering up to 200 feet tall in its native Pacific Northwest, it's known for its reddish-brown bark and gracefully drooping branches. Its foliage is a lovely shade of dark green, and its cones are brown and woody. This tree is a favorite of many gardeners for its resilience and striking appearance. Next is the Atlantic white cedar, another misnamed tree as it's actually a cypress. It prefers wet, acidic soils and can be found in the boggy regions of the eastern United States. With its feathery light green foliage and small round cones, it's a beautiful sight to behold. Last but certainly not least is the deodar cedar, a true cedar hailing from the Himalayas. This tree can reach an impressive height of up to 150 feet, with drooping branches and bluish-green needles. Its cones are barrel-shaped and quite large, adding to its grandeur. The deodar cedar is a popular choice for parks and large gardens due to its elegant silhouette and hardy nature. And those are just a few examples of the many types of cedar trees you might come across in your gardening journey. Each one offers something unique, from their distinct appearances to their adaptability to different environments. So the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate these magnificent trees and all they bring to our world. Cedar trees aren't just stunning to look at, they play a crucial role in our natural ecosystems. These towering beauties provide more than just shade and beauty. They are a haven for many birds, animals, and insects, offering shelter, food, and nesting spots. Their thick, evergreen foliage provides year-round protection and sustenance for wildlife. But the role of cedar trees extends beyond being a wildlife sanctuary. Their extensive root system helps to prevent soil erosion, especially on slopes and in areas prone to landslides. This is a vital contribution, as soil erosion can lead to a loss of fertile land and increase the risk of natural disasters. Moreover, like all trees, cedars contribute to the environment by producing oxygen. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide, a primary greenhouse gas, and release oxygen back into the atmosphere. It's clear that cedar trees are not only a great addition to any garden, but they're also essential to maintaining a healthy environment.